how to fix your Windows 11 hotspot is not working. So if you're trying to hotspot from your computer to another device, I'm going to show you how to turn this on and fix the issue where it's not working. So the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up your start menu. You can then type in settings and click on this window here. Now over in the left hand side, select network and internet and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. This won't work with an Ethernet connection. You need to make sure it's going through the Wi-Fi. You'll then need to scroll down to mobile hotspot and make sure mobile hotspot is turned on. Now once you've done this, go and open up your start menu. Type in View Network Connections and click on this window. Now you should see your Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. Go and right click on this and press Disable. Now right click on it again and press Enable, and then you can check to see if that solves the issue. You can also come back over to the mobile hotspot and then just try toggling this on and off. Now if you've tried these steps and it's still not working, there is one final solution. So open up your start menu. Search for Registry Editor and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to HKey Local Machine, click on the System folder, and click on the drop down arrow next to Current Control Set. Now click on the drop down next to Services, and then scroll down this page until you see this folder called WLAN SVC. Now click on the drop down arrow, click on the drop down next to Parameters, and then click on this folder called Hosted Network Settings. Now you'll see a file called Hosted Network Settings. Just right click on this and press Delete. You can then press Yes. And once you've deleted the file, you'll need to go in restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can try turning back on your hotspot, and that should have now solved the issue where your hotspot is not working.